You text her. She takes hours to respond. You ask her out. She's busy. You're putting in effort and getting nothing back. I'm about to show you 7 psychology tricks that flip this completely. They're how female attraction actually works. By the end, you'll know exactly how to make a woman think about you constantly. Let's go. Trick number 1. Become unpredictable in your availability. Most men make themselves too available. She texts. You respond instantly. She wants to hang out. You drop everything. Female psychology finds this boring. Predictability kills attraction. When she knows exactly when you'll respond, there's no mystery, no tension. Here's what you do instead. Sometimes respond quickly. Sometimes take 3 hours. Sometimes you're free Friday. Sometimes you're busy for 2 weeks. She can't figure out your pattern. That uncertainty keeps you on her mind. She starts wondering what you're doing, who you're with. Unpredictability creates obsession because her brain can't categorize you. And that drives female psychology crazy in the best way. Trick number 2. Give validation, then pull it back slightly. Women crave validation from men they're attracted to. But if you give it constantly, it loses value. If you never give it, she thinks you're not interested. The psychology trick is in the pattern. Compliment her genuinely. Make her feel special. Then next time, be more neutral. Not cold, just less enthusiastic. She'll notice immediately. Why isn't he as warm as last time? Did I do something wrong? Now you're in her head. She's replaying your last interaction, wondering how to get that validation back. This works because female psychology is wired to pursue what feels like it's slipping away. When your attention feels uncertain, it becomes valuable. Trick number 3. Demonstrate high value without bragging. Women are attracted to men other people respect. Status matters. But if you brag about your success, you look insecure. Here's the trick. Let other people reveal your value. Let her discover things about you gradually. You're good at something? Don't tell her. Let her see it naturally. You know interesting people. Let her meet them organically. Female psychology is attracted to confident humility, the man who has value but doesn't need to announce it. That's magnetic. When she discovers your worth herself, the attraction multiplies. She feels like she found something special. That creates obsession. Trick number 4. Create emotional peaks and valleys. Flat emotional experiences don't create obsession. Intensity does. Female psychology bonds through emotional variety, not consistency. Take her on an adventure with excitement and challenge. Then have a quiet, intimate moment. Be playful and tease her. Then be serious and deep. You're creating emotional range. She experiences different sides of you and different feelings. That's memorable. That's addictive. When you create emotional peaks, her brain releases chemicals that bond her to you. Emotional intensity equals memorable. Memorable equals obsession. Trick 5. Show interest, then focus on your mission. This is where most men fail. They meet a woman they like, and she becomes their entire focus. They chase. They make her their priority. Female psychology finds this suffocating. Women want to be valued, but they're obsessed with men who have purpose beyond them. Here's the trick. Show genuine interest. Make her feel wanted. Then pull back and focus on your goals, your work, your mission. She sees you're attracted to her, but you're not rearranging your life for her. She's important, but she's not everything. That balance creates obsession. She wants to earn more of your time, and that pursuit keeps her thinking about you. Subscribe right now if this is making sense. These psychology tricks actually work. Click subscribe. Trick 6. Be emotionally unreactive to drama or tests. Women test men constantly. It's built into female psychology. She'll create small dramas, push your buttons to see how you respond. Most men fail. They get defensive, they get emotional, they seek her approval. Here's the trick. Stay calm. Don't react emotionally. Acknowledge what she said without getting pulled into the drama. Female psychology is attracted to emotional strength. The man who doesn't get rattled. That's masculine energy she can't resist. When you don't react to her tests, you pass them. Passing tests creates respect. Respect creates attraction. Attraction creates obsession. Trick 7. Exit interactions while they're still good. Most men stay too long. The conversation is great, so they keep talking until it gets boring. The date is fun, so they stretch it until the energy dies. Female psychology works opposite. Leave while she's still enjoying herself, while she still wants more. End the phone call first. Leave the date while she's still laughing. Say you have somewhere to be when things are going well. This creates a gap. She was having fun, and now you're gone. Her brain wants to complete that experience. She thinks about you. Leaving on a high note makes every interaction memorable and makes her anticipate the next one. That anticipation is obsession. Here's what you need to understand. These tricks work because they align with how female psychology actually operates. They're not manipulation. They're understanding what creates attraction. But here's the critical part. These only work if you're genuinely high value, if you're becoming a better man, working on yourself, building something. You can't trick a woman into obsession if you're low value. The psychology tricks amplify attraction that's already possible. They don't create it from nothing. Use these 7 tricks, but also be the kind of man worth being obsessed with. That's the real secret. Which trick are you going to apply first? Drop the number below. And remember, female psychology responds to strength, purpose, and mystery. Give her those things, and she won't be able to stop thinking about you.